Video tutorials by Andrew Buckle. This tutorial I'm just going to show you how you can continue a design that I created in an earlier video, which is using envelope distortions, transforms and gradients. Now what you can do, you can extend this more, it's a path, it can be duplicated, so just go over here, just to the selection tool, just select that and Alt and just drag that slightly up so it creates a new design. So you can see these gradients, these transforms. So what you can do, just put it on top. You don't have to have it on top. You could actually move a different position. And I'm going to do that next. So you can change the opacity. So you can say maybe make it a little bit more blurry to create a sort of more lovely sort of unusual blurring effect. And like I say, you can create multiple. You can move it around as well. You don't have to keep it in the same place. Move it slightly to the side as well. So you just drag that over. And you can see you can get different designs just by dragging that over. Again, you can have 3, 4, 5, 6 multiple copies. Now I'm just going to go to opacity there, push that back and click there, and you'll see obviously you've got blending mode, so you can go darken, see a nice sort of unusual, again, so it moves that across, you can get change, and you can also rotate, so just rotate that around to create interesting different designs on top of each other. Don't have to do that, of course. You can Control Z, go back to the other one. Opacity again, maybe go for difference or lighten, and you can see a whole range of different designs. You can just create by just moving that just slightly, create a nice sort of very unusual effect there. And of course, you don't have to keep the gradient the same as the previous one, so you can just, what you can do, oops, before it goes flying off the screen, you can just go to Object and Envelope Distort and Edit Contents. So that's just, you can just edit the contents of that top one. Don't have to edit the other one. So just go there to the gradient tool and you can modify that. And you can see just by changing that you can create a whole range of different, not some will work, some will not. So you can always Control Z and Control Z. And you can also modify the actual over here. You can go to the gradient and you can see by just changing the, and you can add additional stops if you wish. You don't want, just go there, maybe make that yellow, maybe change the opacity. Don't have to keep the opacity the same. So maybe make that 80%. And you can see just a whole range of different colour effects can be combined by doing that. And again, don't even have to keep the same envelope. So you can just go to Object and Envelope Distort, Edit Envelope, and you can see that design there. You can just go there and just select that point there, just drag that out, and again a whole range of different possible designs can be created in seconds just by using that. And of course you don't have to just drag that over, really make it very unusual distortions colour. And again, let's say what you can do once you've done that, decided that's what you want, just select that and you can then go Alt again and duplicate it again on top of that, and you can see sometimes it actually gets to the point of very extreme colour, so you can see now getting some very unusual gradient colour effects just by doing that. And again, they're all still editable and still you can change every part of this design at this point. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you very much.